Hello everyone, in this video we will be looking into Snapseed. Snapseed, if you don't know, is an app and it can be used very easily on your iPad, iPhone, any Android phone to edit your photos. The app is free so you can use it. So this is a good way and a quick way of updating or editing your pictures and uploading them anywhere you want. Snapseed is a free app. You can download it and use it as much as possible without any restrictions. It is made by Google, and good thing is when you are looking for something quick where you don't have to take the pictures back to Photoshop or Lightroom, you want something quick on your phone where you can update it, upload it and be done with it. This is really handy. So today what we will do is I'll use one of my pictures that I have recently taken during one of my runs and then edit them to look like this. Now trust me, this is all done in Snapseed and this happens within 5 minutes. I can show you some great tools in the app that you can use and make your pictures look really professional. So once you open the app, you should see this screen which is telling you to add the picture. So all you do is go into your pictures and add the picture that you want to edit. If your picture was taken from your phone, then it's easy to access. If the picture was taken from the camera, then you can easily use the Wi-Fi within the camera if you have that and transfer the picture to your phone, and in that way you can access it from the photo library. So once you have the picture here, you'll see that I already have some options on the bottom that comes under looks. So these are some of the options. These are presets where you can literally click on them and have the picture edited. One thing to notice is on the left bottom you will see last edited, and if I click on that makes it really easy. Well, it will give me the last edit that happened. So this will look very similar to what I already had because that was the last picture I edited. It will give me the same effect. So if you are doing some similar pictures, editing some similar pictures, that could be a cool thing where you just go there and you can get the same effect. For this tutorial, definitely we won't do that. We will go from scratch and start our editing. So I'll cancel that. Now, few things definitely I'll still apply from those looks. One is your accentuate. That is one of the good options where you can see some of the colors pop. Also, pop option is a good option where you'll see all the colors getting much saturated, much more vibrant. So there are some other ones too. For example, fade works really well sometimes because you'll see it added as kind of vignette effect on the sides, so it gives a good effect overall to the picture. So I'll take that, and then once I have some basic looks edited, what I try to do is go to the toolbar. Now these are all the tools that you typically find on some of the softwares like Lightroom and Photoshop too, where you can actually go component by component and edit them. So let's go to tune images, and once you are here you can now adjust a lot of things. So the way this works is left to right is you're actually editing that thing. So here you will see on the top that the brightness is getting adjusted, right? So I'll make it slightly brighter. Now don't feel that you just have brightness here. You have many tools within that tool. So all you do is now swipe up or down. So let's say if I swipe up, you will see more tools coming in. So let's say if I want saturation, and if I make it positive, you will see everything getting saturated here. Same way, if I want the highlights to kind of pop out, I can adjust my highlights right there. So this picture is starting to look the way I had it before. We will definitely make it slightly warmer, I feel. Yeah, that's good. Now once this is done, I think this is starting to look good. I still feel there is some brightness needed, so I'll go back to this tool and add some more brightness to it. Alright, that looks good. Some of the other tools here are details. So let's say if I go to details, I can have it more structured. I think in this picture I don't need it. And then I can make it sharper, which always helps a bit. So now we are done with sharpening the picture. Let's go to again tools, and again you can see there are some other tools, the white balance, crop, rotate. You can use these tools in different scenarios. In this case I don't need to really change a lot of things, but I'll definitely rotate it slightly. I feel it's slightly off, so here I think that's good enough. That's okay. And then so one of the things is you can always go back and look at the original. So if I'm on my main screen and if I just keep my finger on the screen, then this was the original and this is where we are now. So it's always a good thing to compare. again, go back to tools. One last thing that I would do is go back to vignette, and good thing about the vignette is you can define where you want your center or where you want the bright point to be. So I'll move this center here, and what I'll do is on the top you can see this is on outer brightness right now. I think outer brightness is okay, where it's kind of fading out, but I can still see some of the details. But what I really need to edit is the inner brightness. So on the inner brightness, I just want to make sure that there is enough brightness in the center so that the attention is drawn there. So I think that is good enough. Alright, so once that is done, one of the good things about the app is you can always go on the top and you can undo things if you don't like it. So let's say if I undo, my last step will be gone. Also at the same time, if I go to revert, that will actually bring my original picture back. So be careful as well as you do these things, because that can completely take away all your edits that you just did. But that is a cool feature, because then you don't have to stick with what you have already done. Alright, so once all your edits are done, as you can see, within 5 minutes we edited a picture which was taken from my phone, and we made it look more professional, we made it look really nice. Now all we have to do after this is export it. So I will click on export, and then I have few options here, so I can export it and save it. When I click on save, what it will do is it will overwrite my original file. So if you don't care about your original file, sure, go ahead and do that. When I'm editing things, I like to keep my original file, so I typically go with save a copy. And as soon as I save a copy, it will still keep the original and it will create a new copy with my edits. Alright, so that's done, easy and simple, and we are done with our editing. So hope you like this video. Again, very simple 5-minute editing in Snapseed using your phone. You don't have to worry about transferring the pictures from your camera to the computer and then editing them and bringing them back on the phone. So try it out if you have not already done it before, and hopefully that helps you. I mean, this can be used for landscape as well as some other pictures that you take outside. It can even be used for your portrait pictures. It makes it really convenient for you to edit the pictures and upload them on social media if you need to. Again, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so that you get notified for my next video. Thank you and see you next time.